Hello children, let us begin our day with the thought for the day. Today's thought is, presence of mind is the ability to stay calm and composed plus ability to act quickly and sensibly. So presence of mind can be considered as a very good asset, and this asset has helped the protagonist or the main lead of our new chapter. So, before we begin with chapter number 21, the journey to the Great Oz, let me tell you something about the book. Wizard of Oz. This is a children's book written by Lyman Frank Baum, and it was published in 1990. You can consider it as a modern fairy tale with a distinctly American setting. A brave girl and engaging fantasy characters. The story was enormously popular and became a classic of children's literature. However, by the late 20th century, a film based on the book The Wizard of Oz had become more familiar than the book on which it was based. So let me tell you something about the characters, because the chapter is only a short passage from the book. So you need to understand who are the characters, what are the specialities of these characters, where they came from and where are they going, what is the purpose of their journey. So our main character is Dorothy. Dorothy is a young girl who lives in the house in Kansas. It is in America, with her uncle, aunt, and the joy of her life is her dog Toto. One day what happened? A sudden cyclone struck, and the cyclone carried the house along with Dorothy and Toto. They did not get any chance to come out of the house. So Dorothy and Toto were inside the house, and the cyclone, you know what is a cyclone? Chakrivadar. It lifted the house from Kansas along with Dorothy and Toto, and the house travelled along with cyclone, and the house landed in a beautiful place. The people who gathered around the house told Dorothy that this is the land of Munchkins, and this land of Munchkins was far away from Kansas, and it was not possible for Dorothy to travel or to go back. So what happened? This house of Dorothy's, while the house landed, it accidentally killed the Wicked Witch of East. And the people of Munchkins were very happy because they were tired of the Wicked Witch, because she troubled them a lot. So while the house landed, the house accidentally landed on this Wicked Witch and she got killed. So the people of Munchkins were very happy and pleased with Dorothy. And since this is a fantasy book, there can be wizards, there can be witches, there can be many magical things happening in the story. Now, there was another witch. She was the good one. She was the witch of North. She gave Dorothy the silver shoes. You can see Dorothy holding a pair of shoes in her hand. So, those are the silver shoes of the dead witch, and this good witch advised Dorothy to go to the city of Emerald, and Dorothy should go to the city of Emerald and meet great Wizard of Oz, and this Wizard of Oz might help Dorothy to return to Kansas. So while her journey, she met few interesting people, and these characters I would rather say, they also joined Dorothy in the journey, because these characters wanted some or the other thing which they thought they are lacking. So they thought that they would also accompany Dorothy and they will try their luck if their wishes get fulfilled. So this is a scarecrow. You all are aware who a scarecrow is. It is made up of bamboo, and a pot is put up as his head, and it is put up in a farm so that the birds might get scared away and they won't eat the grains that are in the field. So we all know that scarecrow is a just character. It doesn't have any heart, brain as such. Now this scarecrow, he wanted that he had brains. He wanted to have a brain so that he could think sensibly and he could act intelligently. That was his wish. So he wanted to ask for brain from the great Wizard of Oz. This is a tin man. As the name suggests, it is made up of tin with the axe in his hand, and who longs, who wants a heart so that he can be more sensible. And the third character that Dorothy met was a lion, but the lion is cowardly, or the lion is coward. We all know that lion is the king of jungle. We know that cheetah is faster than lion. Giraffe, elephant, these creatures are much more bigger and stronger than lion. Then what is the speciality of the lion that it makes the king of jungle? A speciality of lion is the courage. That is why it is the king of jungle. But our lion is cowardly and it requires courage. So the lion requires courage. Dorothy and Toto, they wish to go back to their city of Kansas. So Dorothy wanted to ask favor so that she could return to her home. The scarecrow wanted brain. The tin woodman wanted a heart, and our lion wanted to have some courage. Now these all they all travelled along the road which was made up of yellow bricks, and on their way to the Emerald City they faced many difficulties along their route, but all these difficulties were overcome because of Scarecrow's good sense. Though Scarecrow did not have brain, but he gave wonderful ideas. Though the tin woodman did not have a heart to think sensibly, but it was always kindness and the bravery of the cowardly lion that made all these travelers possible to reach the Emerald City of Oz. So in the next session, we will start with the story. Today what you will do, you will listen to the introduction one more time, or if you want to listen to it, you can listen to it twice so that you will understand from where these characters came from, where are they going, and what was the thing that they wanted to ask from the Wizard of Oz. So we will begin with the story in our next learning period. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.